TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN Tuesday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern time. We got 30 minutes to go until the start of trading, and you got all the indices slightly in the green this morning. We get some retail earnings. Home Depot, Walmart, Macy's. We'll get into those in a moment. This morning, S&P's up 4 points at 41.61. We're as high as almost 41.80 at about 3 a.m. Eastern time. So we've given up about 20 points. The market was up about 24 at one point then. Tech stocks pulling back from the highs they had as well. We got right up to basically the highs that we had from Sunday evening. You look at the trading range we have, NASDAQ 100, you open Sunday night at about 13,452. We trade down 250 points to an intraday level of about 13,200. We were back up to a high of 13,433. So within about 20 points of that Sunday night number, and since then we backed off, still up about 0.4 in the tech stocks. Dow up 18 points, 34,275. Bitcoin, talk about an acceleration. We hit 42,050 yesterday. Right now you're down technically $80 on the session, but look at the sell-off we just got. Since about 8 a.m. this morning, call it 7:30 a.m. this morning, you were trading at 45,600. Just like that, we give up almost $2,000 over the course of about just over an hour to 43,650, the low there in that bar that just finished at 8:45. Crude oil, we were as high as $67.02. Quite a number for light sweet crude. Since then, we've backed off a bit. Still relative strength in crude. Gold contract up about $4 at $18.71. The high of $18.75.90. Silver's up 42 cents at $28.70 this morning. And we'll jump to notes and bonds. You get the 10-year up 2 ticks, 132.13. The 30-year up 1 tick, 156.26. Let's jump over to the volatility index. We're under 20, but we're barely under that level, 1996. When the market was up about 24 points in the S&P last night at about 3 a.m. Eastern time, you had the VIX with an 18 handle briefly at 1881. All right, let's jump around to some of the stocks that have earnings this morning. Macy's. Quite a number. They're rising in the pre-market, but giving up some of those gains. We're up as high as $20.57. Macy's now at $19.40, positive by just 24 cents on some pretty strong numbers. We'll get into them coming up in the morning market kickoff in a few minutes. Home Depot, strong numbers as well. They're up about $7 pre-market this morning. And Walmart, continuing the trend. Look at that acceleration in Walmart. We go from $138.89 yesterday. We almost make it to $145. Walmart right now up about $5 in pre-market trading. All right, folks, stay tuned. We're going to break down all those stocks that have earnings this morning. We'll talk about what we have going on tonight with earnings. Retail, big numbers coming out this week. Stay tuned. Right back.